Today, we're diving into the world of lists in HTML. Lists are essential for organizing information, whether it's a grocery list or a set of instructions. In HTML, we have two main types of lists: unordered and ordered. Unordered lists use bullets to present items, making them great for lists where the order doesn't matter. For example, if you're jotting down grocery items like milk, eggs, and bread, you'd use an unordered list. On the other hand, ordered lists are numbered, perfect for step-by-step instructions. Imagine you're guiding someone through a recipe. Step 1, open the fridge. Step 2, grab the eggs. This clear numbering helps keep things in sequence. Now, let's get into how we create these lists. To make an unordered list, we use the YI tag, which stands for Unordered List. Inside this tag, each item is wrapped in a white tag, which stands for List Item. So if we want to create that grocery list, our code would look like this: milk, eggs, bread. When you load this in a browser, you'll see bullet points appear next to each item, making it visually clear and easy to read. It's a simple yet powerful way to present information. Now, if we switch gears to an ordered list, we'd use the Yaktar tag instead. For our recipe steps, the code would look like this: open the fridge, grab the eggs, mix the ingredients. In the browser, you'll see each step numbered, guiding the user through the process seamlessly. Lists are a fundamental part of web development, helping you structure content effectively. Whether you're creating a simple grocery list or a detailed set of instructions, mastering these tags will enhance your HTML skills significantly. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be creating organized and user-friendly web pages with ease.